जय श्रीमन्नारायण। 613th नामम फ्रॉम श्री विष्णु सहस्रनामम फ्रॉम 65th श्लोक। ओम श्री साय नमः। Let us do Sashtanga Namaskaram to Sri Parasara Bhattaru Swami, who gave us the meanings of Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam, which we are all learning every day. Sri Parasara Bhattaryah, Sri Rangesa Purohitah, Sri Vatsankasuta Sriman, Shreyase me astu bhuyase. Om Shri Saya Namaha. O Srimannarayana, I realize that you are the controller of Sri Mahalakshmi. You are the one who brought so much respect to Sri Mahalakshmi. Not only that, O Srimannarayana, out of supreme love that you have towards Sri Mahalakshmi Devi, you are the one who is controlled by Sri Mahalakshmi. O Srimannarayana, you are the one who has Mahalakshmi as Isa, controller of you. O Srimannarayana, I surrender to your lotus divine feet. Om Shri Saya Namaha. Om Shri Saya Namaha. While meditating upon Srimannarayana, who is there within our own heart, let us sing the glory of Srimannarayana. Srimannarayana Narayana Narayana Srimannarayana Narayana Narayana. In Sri Valmiki Ramayanam Kishkindhakanda, Sri Ramachandra Swami saying to Tara and Angada, O Tara, Angada, even if you cry now, Vali would not come back. That is why do not cry. Now you have to make preparations for final rites of Vali. O Tara, Lokavrittam Anushteyam Krutam vo Bashpamokshanam. As and how in this world everybody cries for the one who died, you also did cry for Vali. That's all. You did all that. Now you cannot do any other than that. All that you have to think is this entire Srishti is controlled by Paramatma. And the Paramatma is the cause of this entire universe. And that Srimannarayana is the one who controls all the souls. Tara, you have to realize that souls are not an independent entities. Only Paramatma is independent. Also, Tara, you have to realize that just because Paramatma is independent, he would not act as and how he wish. Nakaschit ativartate. He would not cross any sort of rules and regulations. He obeys all the rules and regulations prescribed by Shastram. O Tara, you have to understand that Paramatma does not have any partiality. And without Paramatma's anugraham, nobody can do anything. And no one has an ability to cross or win over the sankalpam of Paramatma. O Tara, all these souls, according to their previous karma, they will be getting into the bodies. This entire system is run by Paramatma. That is why you also have to realize that Paramatma, whatever he does, definitely that brings great favor to us. Whatever Bhagavan does, that never causes any kind of harm or grief to us. You have to believe in that fact. Ho Tara, this Vali, such a great Vanara, and Vali got rid of all kind of papam now, and he is going to go to Swargam, heaven. This Vali is great. And when he was alive, he did not even care about his own pleasures and his own comforts and his own life, but he did so many great activities, great deeds. That is why, Ho Tara, now you do not cry for Vali. All that you have to do is what you supposed to be doing for Vali. Now you just make those preparations. When Sri Ramachandra Swami said like this to Tara and Angada, immediately Lakshmana went to Sugriva and asking, "Ho Sugriva, now Kuru Tvam Asya Pretakaryam Anantaram." Make preparations for final rites of Vali. Chandanani, Divyani, Kashtani, Sushkani cha, Bahuni cha, Vali Samskara Karanat. For the final rites of Vali, you go ahead and make preparations to bring all kind of great dried sandalwood. So much of sandalwood is needed here. You go ahead and make those preparations. Like that, Lakshmana Swami is saying to Sugriva. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. 65th sloka from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Sridasri Saha Srinivasaha Srinidhihi Srivibhavanaha Sridharaha Srikaraha Shreyaha Sriman Lokatrayashrayah Sridasri Sasrinivasaha Srinidhi Srivibhavanaha Sridhara Srikarashreyah Sriman Lokatrayashrayah. Om Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman-Narayana. Om Sri Saya Namaha. Om Sri Saya Namaha. Om Sri Saya Namaha.